If you work at a food and beverage company and want to launch a new product, change ingredients, or extend shelf life, but you don't have the time, resources, or expertise on hand, we can help.
We are a center of excellence, offering world-class culinary, beverage, and food science expertise, facilities, and equipment to develop and improve products for the food and beverage industry.
Our Innovation Centre is an accelerator that works with the food and beverage sector to solve challenges and bring products from concept to shelf.
We offer solutions for clients by leveraging funding, state-of-the-art equipment, research experts to provide the best possible research outcomes for clients.
At the Food and Beverage Innovation Centre, we develop new food and beverage products, improve and optimize existing products, assist with ingredient sourcing and packaging, conduct accelerated and direct shelf life testing, and scale up small batches of beverage products that can be sold in the market.
The Beverage Processing Pilot Plant is a HACCP-certified beverage production facility that fills a gap between research and development and large-scale commercial production. It helps our clients get to the next stage in their product development before clients are ready to invest in large-scale production facilities.
The Food and Beverage Innovation Centre offers a full range of lab services for craft beverage companies, including analysis packages for beer, cider, mead, kombucha, wine, and distilled spirits.
Our research projects are designed to meet client needs with defined deliverables and timelines, and all intellectual property we develop is transferred to our clients. We do this by pairing industry partners with our highly qualified staff, faculty, recent graduates, and students with the right expertise to meet their innovation needs.
The hands-on experience and technical skill set students garner make them efficient at problem solving and critical thinking. And it gives us an idea of what to expect, what to look for, and which questions to ask, or how to approach a problem in the real world.
Project intake is ongoing with funding available, and we offer services in the most affordable way for our clients by supplementing much of the cost with government grants wherever possible. Learn more about our resources, capabilities, and project successes at ncinnovation.ca.